Welcome to our tutorial on how to bulk import stops into favorites using the Zeo platform. Favorite stops are those you use more frequently when forming routes. Let's get started. Prepare your spreadsheet. Navigate to Settings, select Favorites, then Upload Favorites. You can upload the input file from your system or Google Drive, or manually add the stops. For the manual option, enter the necessary stop details directly on the platform. Select your spreadsheet. Click on the Import option and select the spreadsheet file from your device. The file formats can be CSV, XLS, XLSX, TSV, TXT, or KML. Map your data. Match the columns in your spreadsheet to the appropriate fields in Zeo, such as address, customer name, and contact number. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the import, review the information to ensure everything is correct. Edit or adjust any details as needed. Complete the import. Once everything is verified, complete the import process. Your stops will be added to your favorites list within Zeo. And that's it. You've successfully bulk imported stops into your favorites, making route planning more efficient. Thanks for watching.